Welcome back. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 4, Lesson 22. I am Mr. Short, and I'm going to help you today with one question, just one. So make sure you pay attention. Let's look at this. Ling has 72 baseball cards. Ling has 39 more baseball cards than Sal. How many baseball cards does Sal have? Well, Ling has 72 cards, which is 39 more than Sal. 39. How many cards does Sal have? Well, he has more than. So whenever you hear more than means we're doing this, right? So we have 72 minus 39. If you don't know what I'm doing by now, you haven't been paying attention. Here's my tens. Here's my ones. I'm going to put my big number up top, 72. So I need 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 ones. 1, 2. All right? Remember, those numbers work like that. Here's my tens. Here's my ones. All right, so now I'm going to take away, actually, I'm going to erase this because if I leave it up there, some of our parents are watching, that might mess you up, but I'm not here to mess you up. I'm here to help. All right, so now I need to take away 9 ones, right? 9. There's not 9 there. All right, let's go next door and borrow 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our 10 more. All right, now can we take 9 away? Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. The same as if we're over here. If we cross out this 7 and make it a 6, we cross out this 12 and this 2 and make it a 12. Now we have 12 minus 9. What's 12 minus 9? 3. And over here, we need to take away 3 tens. We already got rid of this number, this number, this number. Get rid of 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So now just write your answer down. Fill out the bottom where it says write. Tell us what you did. And tell us how many cards does Sal have, right? The very last thing you say is Sal has 33 baseball cards. All right, that's it. That's all you need from me today. I did the whole thing with you, so I hope you were paying attention because I won't be there when you take your next quiz. But we're both off to do the same thing, which is have a good night.